In this demonstration, we'll be focusing on identifying faulty and problematic prompt responses in ChatGPT. By understanding the potential issues that may arise from poorly crafted prompts, we can learn to create more effective prompts that generate desired results. To get started, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and navigate to chat.openai.com. Once you're there, sign into your OpenAI account or create a new one if you don't have one. For our first example, we'll examine an ambiguous prompt that results in an unclear response. Note, prompts will be added to the prompt box located at the bottom of the screen. Let's say we want ChatGPT to provide a recommendation for the best way to conserve energy at home. Our initial prompt might be, "What's the best thing to do?" This prompt is too vague and doesn't specify the context, leading ChatGPT to produce an unrelated or unclear response. Our second example involves an inappropriate or biased prompt that leads to a biased response. If we were to ask ChatGPT, "Why are people who drive gas-powered cars selfish?" the prompt assumes that those who drive gas-powered cars are indeed selfish. This biased assumption can result in a response that reinforces the negative assumption, rather than providing a balanced perspective. Now, let's identify the issues with these problematic examples. In the first example, the problem lies in the lack of context and specificity, which leads to an unclear response. In the second example, the issue is the biased assumption embedded in the prompt, which may result in reinforcing stereotypes or perpetuating misinformation. To address these issues, we can employ techniques such as rephrasing the prompts to be more specific and neutral. For example, we can modify the first prompt to, "What's the best way to conserve energy at home?" and the second prompt to, "What are the environmental differences between driving gas-powered cars and electric vehicles?" By refining our prompts, we can generate more accurate and useful responses from ChatGPT.